How to freeze OKX account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze the account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on it. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see your profile name. Simply tap on your profile name. So these are the settings that are available. Now here, you can simply tap on security. So if you slowly scroll down, here you'll be able to see the option called freeze account. Tap on freeze account. Now make sure that you want to freeze your account. Here you'll not be able to access your account for a long time. So tap on the reason and simply tap on continue. So this will completely freeze your account and you won't be able to have any trades in the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.